Oh, see any good movies lately? Yep. You know what a movie is? Nope. You're stupid. I'm green, but I'm done with that post. Huh? Okay, you're clear. Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, we're back. Hey, you're back. Is it safe? Yeah, we're good. In fact, there are 3 guys over there. We decided to invite us over. Really? That's great. What are we waiting for? Let's head on over. Follow me. Boom. Bravo. Up to do. Score. Wait. My precious. I don't care for you anymore. I like tacos. We've been waiting for a long time. Yeah. It took forever for the owner of this channel to upload the next video. I can't even remember what happened last time. Do you remember? Optimus? Jeremy? Nope. Nor a clue. Is that Wii U pad? Giant Precious. Who the heck are you? It's coming! What the heck was that? Sorry for the big fall down ingredient, you see. It came right out of the sky. Is that far away the sky? Ooh, I'm gonna do that deal. Awesome badminton picture! Some of the big group we have here. Yep, that's Bolt, Creeper, Salty, and Simba. Cool. Okay, so, hey, Salty, wanna show us the shelter tracker you invented? Sure. Power on. It's a Wii U pad. Salty, you lied to us. Well, only a little bit. Salty, you're a suck-up. You always have been, and you always will be. My fault I can't build! Then why even claim that you can't even build a shelter tracker? Well, we have to get on with this conversation here, because I'm not gonna remembering this later on today. And Salty, you're grounded. Oh, poopy. Anyway. So, we need your guys' help with something. Well, what? Well, it's a long story. You've ever heard of this guy called Break-A-Lot? Break-A-Lot! Destroyed our home long time ago. Yeah. Well, what happened? He literally took apart every single brick. He seems to be using it to build some kind of fortress or something. A fortress? How is a bunch of Lego bricks supposed to build an entire shelter? That makes no sense. Well, it beats me, but considering he's a villain, he can be caught and paid with all kinds of stuff. Well, it sounds like we better take him down and find him. Hey, I'm good with building, actually. I can modify that big Wii U pad into a radar that can track where he could be. The only problem is we'll need a sample of his DNA first. Well, how are we gonna find him if we can't even track him? I think I might know where he is. At last, the plans for my plan will be complete, and soon my plan will be unstoppable. Nothing will stop me now. I am Dr. Break-A-Lot. Not so fast, bucko. Oh. Exactly, Jerry, and I'm gonna get rid of you. Well, at least take you away. Where are you taking me? I almost forgot. I am unplug his new evil device before his evil thing is doing. Bro, poop. Oh my word, what happened? Bro, he's fighting bad guys, what do I do? X, I got this. Blow! Wait, what are you doing to me? No, I got his mask. I can use this to put in DNA in this thing. I'm going to take away you. I can make you another. Thanks, no problem. Oh gosh, this is heavy. Oh gosh. Oh good. No, my word. Don't drop that on me. Sorry, Optimus. Sorry, Kade. Gosh. Why is that hurt me? Is it done yet? Patience, Kade. Patience. It's almost done. Okay, so let me get this straight. We use this to track his space, go find him, and then we crack his head open. It's a little bit more violent than I would put it, but you make a good point. Cool. Alright, is it finished? Yep, go ahead and try it out. Okay, power on. Let's see. I think it's this option. Right over here, northeast. Okay, so that means we have to go this way. Okay, guys. Who wants to carry this with me? Dang it. Die! Sorry, Kade. Yeah, gosh. I'm just gonna teleport. We're here after a big long journey. It was only like Cat Flash's second. Well, same thing. You're a bad math, aren't you? Yes, I am. I'm bad at math, and I'm proud. Oh, what a weirdo. Okay, let's. Ouch. What I miss? Just a Flash second journey. Did you guys see anything interesting? Nah. Just a bunch of binary. Yes, you've fallen right in my trap, boys. What the heck? How'd you get here so quickly? I used a teleportation machine which teleported me and my friend over here. I brought you all here because I knew you'd come here, and in small number 2. Small number 2, get it? We get it. Oh, you guys are here too? No, okay. Anyway, you're no match for me and my ally. Bosscar, attack! Bosscar, that's a weird song! What the heck? Engine blown. Engine blown. Fine, you get it this time, but you'll never uncover my secrets. See you at the throne room. A throne room? Is he planning for world domination? Sounds like it. We better find out what his plot is. And fast! I'm coming with you, buddy! Teleportation. He's always shitty with his navigating skills.